Alright people, it's day 6 and we're on a pontoon boat sailing away from the cruise ships. We're gonna go try to putz around, see if we can find a place to swim, do a little snorkeling, all that kind of stuff. It'll be a great day. All right, peeps, I am gonna come over here and walk towards the shore. This water's so shallow, it's like up to my thigh right now. Even where the boat is behind us, it's probably about 2.5, 3 feet. And I just took some video of some beautiful fish. Hopefully it comes through on camera. But if not, I saw it with my own eyes and that's good enough. I mean, but this water is just crazy, crystal clear. I've never seen anything like this. I've been to Aruba, and it's just not the same. So who could ever think that I would come to Bermuda, be on a private rented pontoon boat with my family and friends, and get to see this? Look at this. This is just unreal. I don't even want to go home. Here's a little song I wrote.
We can check out time though too.
God damn it, this is so beautiful. I do not want to go home. This is insane. This is so nice. Check out this. So freaking ridiculous. There's no sun.
The cave, gives a little upward rock, gives a little. Wow, look at them all, huh?
There's like 2 of them. I've never seen those before, Sue, in my life. No idea what kind of fish those are, but they're cool. I mean, this is stupid nice. It's not even funny. Look at this, man. Ah, this is so ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Oh my god.
Do it.
I have so much salt in my
Put it over here. I want to get it on film. I'm on filming.
It's fun getting silly.
Yeah, but I want it on film.
Look, right here, Jeff. I can't believe they eat meat, though. That's like carnivorous.
Yeah, but
You got it, Jeff?
I'm filming it the whole time.
All right.
sharks eat. They eat people. That's what they eat fish. They're not
Yeah.
They eat people. No, not really. They don't mean to.
By accident.
By accident. Well, sorry. Sorry it was an accident. They took my leg. They don't really mean to eat. Wow, that's crazy. Good call.
Dude, they're all coming over here.
We're busy.
Wow. They grab it quick.
Who's up the food?
Dude, this is amazing.
That's it.
No.
I got cereal. I got cereal.
They'll eat that.
Let's see. Right here, Jeff. They'll be coming. What happened?
It's our fish food.
What'd she do?
There's more fish food. Do you want more fish food? I just...
That wraps up today's video. Stay tuned for part 6, the final part of the Bermuda video series. Thanks so much for watching.